Welcome back, friends. In this video, you will learn how to calculate students' grade in Excel by using the lookup function. Although we can calculate students' grade using other functions like VLOOKUP approximate match or the XLOOKUP function, here I will use the lookup function, which is simple and supported in all Excel versions. Let's get started. As you can see in the screen, first of all, you have to prepare the students' marks obtained table and grading criteria table. The marks categories in the grading criteria table must be sorted in ascending order, which is the smallest to the largest order. After preparing those things ready, you can start using the lookup function to calculate the grade. Click on the first cell, then start using lookup function. In the lookup value parameter, click on the first mark obtained value. In the lookup vector parameter, select the marks category range of the grading criteria table. Lock the selected range by pressing F4 key in the keyboard. In the result vector, select the grade range and lock it by pressing F4. Close the formula and press Enter. Here you see the grade is calculated. Use the fill handle to apply the formula for other cells downward. So, that was all about how to calculate students' grade using the lookup function in Microsoft Excel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Request you to support us by like, comment, and share the video and subscribe to the channel to get more video updates. Thank you so much for watching.